Hi, I'm Dr. Merve Kavas-Kesmen. I'm interior architect and lecturer in several universities in Turkey. I'm also volunteer at Nurture the Children organization in United Kingdom. I met them while I was studying my master's degree at Coventry University. So in 2014 till 2015, we raised many campaigns together. And since then, we didn't lose our contact. So right now, Turkey needs your help. So this is urgent call for help. I want to share this message through Nurture the Children. As you all know, Turkey experienced big disaster on 6th of February at 4 a.m. while so many people were sleeping. Many people lost their lives. Many children lost their parents. So we need to keep people safe there, especially children. So any help is welcome. Heaters, blankets, winter clothes, toys. I expect your help. We had many lost people. So many cities are affected. We could be one of them. So please help.